Good morning, class second. Class, this is your English literature book, and we have started chapter 12, Hiding. It's a poem written by Dorothy Aldous, and this poem is about a little boy whose name is Benny, who was hiding himself from his parents. Okay, and in the last, his parents found him. So, we already understood this poem. So today we'll complete the book size of this chapter. So the first question is homophones. Homophones means have similar pronunciation, okay, same pronunciation, but their meaning and their spelling are different, okay. So this question is based on homophones. Choose the right word to complete the sentences. Here there are some homophones word. Okay, you have to choose the correct one which is suitable here. So the first is the lovely dash scent of flowers filled the room. So here this scent SCENT, this scent will be suitable. Okay, here you will fill scent SCENT. Second, my school fees is dash due in 3 days. So here you will fill due. Okay. Third, please give me a dash piece of the chocolate. So here you will fill piece PIECE. Okay. Fourth, we should not dash waste water. So here you will fill waste WASTE waste. Fifth, children like to read fairy dash tales. So here you will fill tales TALES tales. Sixth, we had nothing to do, so we were dash bored. So here you will fill bored BORED bored. Seventh, Hari carried a dash pail of water to his room. In number 7 you will fill pail PAIL pail. Okay. Eighth, the naughty boy throw the garbage out of the window. Here you will fill throw THREW through. Okay. So this question is based on homophones in which their pronunciation are same. When you speak these words, pronunciate these words, their pronunciation are same, but meaning and spelling are different. So this question is completed. Next, rhyming words. Rhyming words means same sound words. Okay, similar voice, similar sound. So look at these rhyming words from the poem. Add a rhyming words to each list. Class, in this question there are some rhyming words. You have to add one more according to your choice. Just like number first, toes, nose, rose. Hair, wear, share. Mother, other, brother. See, me, knee. Place, face, race. Good, should. Okay. So this question is based on rhyming words. When you speak these words, their sound are alike. जब भी आप इस तरह के वर्ड बोलोगे जिसमें उसको बोलने लगे कि एक ही वर्ड बोल रहे हो, ठीक, जैसे टोस, नोज, रोज, लग रहा ना एक ही साउंड, तो इसी को हम राइमिंग वर्ड्स कहते हैं. सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑल्सो कम्प्लीटेड. नेक्स्ट इज contractions. What is contraction? You have learned that some words can be shortened by dropping letters from them. An apostrophe is used in the place of the dropped letter. Example, I am hiding. I'm hiding. Class, here it's a new thing for you. Contraction. Contraction means like a shortcut of two words. कभी कभी कुछ ऐसे वर्ड होते हैं जो टू वर्ड्स होते हैं, लेकिन उसको हम शॉर्टकट में एक कॉमा का एपिस्ट्रॉफी का यूज़ करके हम टू वर्ड्स को एक बनाते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पे आई एम, ये दो अलग अलग वर्ड्स थे, लेकिन यहाँ पे एपिस्ट्रॉफी का यूज़ करके हमने टू वर्ड्स को एक में बना लिया. दिस इज कॉल्ड कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस. ओके. आई एम इज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ टू वर्ड्स आई एंड एम. The apostrophe is placed to indicate that the letter A has been dropped. और इसमें आई एम में जब हम शॉर्टकट में लिखे और कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में जब हम लिखे तो इसमें से ए मिसिंग है ना, ई इसमें से गायब, ए इसमें से गायब हो गया है ना, सो इसका शॉर्टकट हुआ आई एम से एम. इसको जब हम रीड करते हैं तो क्या पढ़ते हैं? ओके, आई एम अ टीचर, आई एम अ स्टूडेंट, आई एम अ गर्ल, आई एम अ बॉय. ओके, so in this question you have to write their contraction form. Write the contractions of these words. Okay, the first is it is, so we'll write its. He will, he'll. You have, you've. Cannot, can't. Do not, don't. Must not, must not. Does not, doesn't. Who is, whose. Okay, so these all are in contractions form. Okay, B number, rewrite the following sentences using contractions. Class, here there are some sentences you have to use contractions form. Okay, just like number first, I will go to bed early, and you can write in I will ka I'll. Okay, I will ka shortcut I'll, I apostrophe double L. And here I have school tomorrow, so I have ka shortcut I apostrophe ve, I have. Okay, next, do not play with fire. Do not का contraction shortcut don't. Okay, don apostrophe t. Next, I am playing chess with my cousin, so I am का shortcut I and apostrophe m. Okay, next, we must not throw stones at stray dogs. Must not contraction is mustn apostrophe t. Okay, next, they will visit their aunt in Mumbai next month. They will. Okay, contraction form is like this, they apostrophe double L. Next, who is coming to take a bath? Who is, whose. Okay, so this question is also completed, in which we learn the contractions form of the word. Okay, next, using has or have. You already know about this. We use has with singular words and have with plural words. Okay, to give any information. Just like question number C, complete the sentences with has or have. Class, in this question you have to complete the sentences by using has or have. So the first is, Ruku and Priya have decided to join dance classes. Ruku and Priya, two person, plural words, to write here have. Second, they have been waiting for a long time. They, plural words na, so here we'll write have. So this page is completed. Next page. Question number 3. The farmer has an apple orchard. Farmer, singular word na, so here we'll write has. Fourth, cows have horns. Cows, plural word na, so here we'll write have. Fifth, the mother has her baby in her arms. Mother, singular word, so here we'll write has. And last is, that boy has a computer in his car. Boy, singular one, so here we'll write has. Okay, so question number C completed. Question number D, choose the correct word to complete these sentences. Class, in this question there are two options like has or have. You have to choose the correct one which is suitable. Just like number first, they have many clothes. They, plural one, so we will choose have. They have many clothes. Second, he have two sisters and a brother. He, singular word, so we will choose has. He has two sisters and a brother. I have finished the work. I, plural word, so we will choose have. I have finished the work. Fourth, do you have 300 rupees? You, plural one, so we'll choose have. Do you have 300 rupees? Fifth, she have brought tasty snacks for lunch today. She, singular word, so you will choose has. Okay, she has brought tasty snacks for lunch today. And last one, we cannot have a test tomorrow. It is a holiday. we, plural one, so we'll choose have. We cannot have a test tomorrow, it is a holiday. So class, here chapter 12 hiding book sizes totally completed. Okay.